Mira cómo se metió el río para acá, mire, mire.
Hello guys, welcome back my YouTube channel. Breaking news and live update of tropical storm Franklin. The tropical storm Franklin strikes Dominican Republic. Tropical storm Franklin dumped torrential rain on the Dominican Republic, where at least 2 people died and one remained missing. More than 670 homes were affected by the storm. According to preliminary government figures, and 24 communities were cut off by heavy rains. Franklin is now located north of the Dominican Republic, but outer bands from the system could bring some localized additional heavy rain Thursday. The Franklin storm now winged away from the coastal and now is going on the open sea Atlantic.